So till now we have discussed about the nature of the roots. In the last class we have discussed the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots, that means depend upon the discriminant d, and d is your d square minus 4ac. So if d greater than 0, then the roots are what? Roots are, if d greater than 0, roots are
Real.
real.
Real and distinct.
Yes, real and distinct. And if number 2, if d less than 0, then both roots are
Imaginary.
imaginary. Then number 3, if d equal to 0, then
Then the roots are equal.
Roots are
yes,
equal.
both roots are equal. Number 4, if d is a perfect square, then
The roots are rational.
yes, roots are rational.
Rational and distinct.
So what is the difference between number 1, number 4? If d greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Suppose you have got, suppose, value of b square minus 4ac, suppose equal to, suppose suppose 5, suppose 5, which is greater than 0, then root is a real. So but it may be irrational also. Suppose you may get the value of, suppose one equation is yes, the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and suppose some value of a, b and c are there, and when you found the value of b square minus 4ac, you suppose you got 5, which is greater than 0. So the roots are real and distinct. So that means the value of x may be rational or irrational. Yes or no? Because real means what? Your combination of rational, irrational, then positive, negative. Yes or no? All they are known as your real roots. 1 minute. মই ক্লাছ কৰি আছো, পিছত ফোন কৰি আছো. So these are the now if your roots is your greater than 0, that means if d is greater than 0, the value of d, then roots are rational and irrational. But suppose you have got b square minus 4ac, suppose any perfect square, suppose 16, which is also greater than 0, but then the root cannot be irrational. It is a rational. That means here the value can be root 3 or root 5, because they are what? Irrational number, yes or no? But what happens if it's a perfect square, then it is a real, no doubt it is a real, but additional to this criteria, it will be also what? Rational, only rational. That means it cannot be root over 3, because root over 3 is a irrational number, yes or no? Up to this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So root must be rational here.
Yes.
Yes. If it is a perfect square, then root must be rational. So it may be your half, it may be your 3/2, or that means it will be terminating decimal. Yes or no? Have you? I think all of you got this one in class 9. Terminating, non-terminating. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So up to this is the basic difference, 1 and 4, and others are simple. So again, we have discussed one formula. What is the formula?
Minus b plus
Yes.
minus.
That means minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. So this is the formula. Here plus minus means it may be minus b plus b square minus 4ac by twice a, or minus b minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. Okay, so this plus minus means maybe your positive or negative. So up to this, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now Now see your page number for NCERT book, page number 72. See the page number 72. Example 2. Example 2, 72, example 2. Okay. Have you read the question? Say whether the following equation are quadratic equation or not. Say whether the following equation are quadratic equation or not. So to become a quadratic equation, the degree of the equation must be what?
2.
Yes. So you have to check whether it is a quadratic or your normal equation. Now see the first question. Example 2 for NCERT book, page number 72. Example 2. All of you write down the question. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. Check whether, all of you write down your copy. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. And one thing, all of you, from now, no need to give the. Now see, say whether the following are quadratic equation or not. Number 1, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equal to 2x minus 3. So you have to say, first you have to break this equation. So apply the formula. What is the formula? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes or no? This is the formula. So break this term into this formula. So here x will be x square, then 2 into x into 2, then 2 square, then 1 equal to 2x minus 3. Have you answered this one, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now it will be 4x, then 4 plus 1, then 2x minus 3. Now see, x square, now it will be 4x, then 4 plus 1, it will be 5. Then if you take 2x to the left hand side, it will be minus 2x, then plus 3 equal to 0. Now see, minus 4x minus 6 as 2x, so it will be what? Minus 6x, then 5 plus 3, 8. So it is a quadratic equation or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now see, suppose you may get this type of equation. Suppose x square plus 8 or x square plus x square minus 4 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation?
No,
No. Why?
because
No. It is
there
a
is only one variable.
No. Quadratic equation does not depend on variable. It only depends on the degree. So don't make mistake here. Now see, whenever when I gave you the the definition of quadratic equation, I gave the, like this: yes or no, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot be 0. That means the coefficient of x square cannot be 0, but b may be 0. Understand, all of you?
Say yes.
Yes. So that's why now see here the coefficient x square is present. No, x is not present. It does not depend upon the variable. It only depend upon the degree. That's why it is a quadratic equation. Clear, all of you? So this type of question you will get in the exercise. When you solve this, you will get this type of question. Only the coefficient of x square and your only the constant term is given. Suppose after solving some question, you will get like this: 2x minus 4 equal to, is it a quadratic equation?
No.
No. Why? Because the degree is 1 here. So the definition itself says that the equation is quadratic equation when its degree is 2. That means the highest powers of the variable is 2. So clear, all of you? Now see,
Say yes.
x square minus 4, we can write x square plus 0 into x minus 4. Yes? Or minus 0 into x minus 4. Yes or no?
So yes.
So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Yes, equal to 0. So this is, that's why it is a quadratic equation. Now see, write down that is one. Now it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. Clear, all of you?
So yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, example 2, 3, and 4 do as a homework. Okay.
Okay.
Now see the exercise 4.1.
Same.
The first question. Repeat. Do you know what is the latest update of corona virus affected people in Assam?
I think 800.
So yes.
831.
31.
So be careful. Stay home. Stay safe.
So no. So then why our
We
school
have to
will
go
open? Oh my god.
Your
Sir, we
school,
will not go.
when your school will open, okay, listen carefully one thing. When your school will open, two things is mandatory. Now you solve this, break this. X square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. Now say this, the 2x and 2x will get cancellation, no?
Yes.
X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. Now say it will be x square plus 7 equal to 0. Now is it a quadratic equation?
Yes.
Yes. So write down. As the highest power of x, as the highest power of x is 2, so the given equation
The?
is, as the highest power of x is 2, so the given equation is quadratic equation.
So finish.
Then 2 do as a homework. 2, 3 do as a homework. Okay, 2, 3 do as a homework. Now all of you see the question number 2,
2 and
3,
which
4.
one?
2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 homework, very easy. Now see the question number 7. 2, then 3, then 4, 5, and 6 as a homework. Now see the question number 7. X plus 2 whole cube equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Now the cube formula. What is the cube formula? A plus b whole cube. Tell me. A plus b whole cube.
X cube plus Y cube
Yes, it
plus
will be.
3xy into x plus y.
Yes. Suppose in terms of a, it will be a cube, then b cube, then 3 what? A square b plus 3 ab square. Yes or no?
Okay.
You can, if you break the bracket, it will be like this, and here it will be a cube minus b cube, then minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square. Yes or no?
Mm.
So this is the formula. Write down this formula in your copy. Give a line. Write down this formula in your copy. A plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square. A cube minus b cube means here this plus sign, the sign before b cube will be changed, and the sign before 3 a square b will be changed. A cube minus b cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square. Now see, now apply the formula here. A plus b, that means x cube plus 2 cube, so it will be 8. 2 cube means what? 8, yes or no?
Mm.
Now it will be 3 a square b, that means x square. 3 x square. Now see, into we can write like this dot, yes or no? X square into b. What is b here? Not 8, b is 2. Then 3 x a b square, that means 2 square. Now break it this one. Break this, it will be x cube, x square into x cube minus x. Now when you simplify, it will be x cube 8 6x square plus it will be how much? 3 into 4, so it will be 12x 2x cube minus 2x. Now bring these terms to the left hand side. It will be x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x minus 2x cube plus 2x equal to 0. Now see, x cube minus 2x cube, so it will be how much?
What?
X cube minus 2x cube, so it will be minus x cube, yes or no?
Minus x cube.
Then it will be 6x square, then 12x plus 2x, so it will be 14x, then plus 8 equal to 0. Now do one thing, multiply both sides, left hand side and right hand side, by negate your minus sign, so it will be x cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8. Now 0, if you multiply, it will be 0 itself, yes or no? Now see, is it a quadratic equation?
No.
Yes, because why? Because the highest power is 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. So write down as the highest power of x is 3, and you can write one line also, and it is not of the form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In the previous question also, you can write this one as the highest power of x is 2, and it is of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Clear, all of you?
Okay.
You can write one additional line. So as the highest power of x is 3, and it is not of the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is not what? It is not a
Not a quadratic.
quadratic equation. Clear?
Sir.
In the same way, 8 will be, you can do number 8. Here you have to break x minus 2 whole cube, this formula. That means x cube, it will be x cube, then minus 8, so minus 2 cube, so 8, then minus 3 x square 2, so it will be minus 6x square, then plus 3x2 square, so plus 12x. When you break x minus 2 whole cube, it will be like this. Yes, so like this you can do. So this is also homework. Okay. Now word problem. It is very important. Is the previous chapter, that means pair of linear equation, we have done word problem. In this chapter also we have to do some word problem. So now see all of you see the question number 2-1. This is clear, all of you? Dipjyoti? Clear? Dipjyoti? Can you hear me, Dipjyoti? Where is Dipjyoti? Is it present? Is he present?
Sir, yes, he's speaking, but sir, you are not listening.
Sir, yes.
You can't hear.
Okay, now see the question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Here you don't need to solve, just you have to form the quadratic equation. You have to represent the condition. Now see the first question. How many time left? Can you see? Because I can't see the how many time left.
347. Now it's 347.
No, how many times we have left for the class? Again we have to join.
I don't know.
Okay. Now see the question number 1. 2-1. The area of a rectangular, all of you read the question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Very easy question. Now see, in the previous, that means in the previous chapter, we have to take we took two variable x and y, yes or no? But here we have to take one variable because quadratic equation has only one variable. Okay, one variable means what? If it is y, then it should be in y. That means suppose y square plus 2y plus 3. If it is x, then it will be in the x also. Understand?
Sir, yes.
So how can we proceed? Write down let. Now see, here it is, the condition is given that the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. That means the length depends upon the breadth, yes or no?
Yes.
Now this type of question you have to see which term depends upon which term. That means here length depends upon breadth, so we have to take breadth as x meter. So write down let the breadth of the plot, breadth or width is same, let the breadth of the plot be x meter. Now what is the length of the plot? Tell me. What is the length of the plot?
1 plus 2x.
Good. 1 more than twice its breadth. All of you, have you answered? All of you. What is the length? Now see the condition. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. That means 1 more than twice its breadth. So twice its breadth means 2x. Then 1 more than twice its breadth. So it will be 1 plus 2x. Yes or no? Write down. Then the length of the plot will be 1 plus 2x meter. Now see, now the area is given 528 meters square. Now what is the area formula for finding the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth.
Length into breadth.
So I don't, according to question, it means x into 1 plus 2x, and is given how much?
528.
528, yes. So 528. Now break it, it will be x plus 2x square plus 528. So it will be 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. So again, this is the required representation. This is the required representation. This is the required representation of the problem mathematically. This is the required representation of the problem mathematically. Clear?